This is June with New Orleans Potions Cosmetics, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step, start to finish, how to make a real easy lip gloss. In the comments section I will put the recipe and ingredients and tools needed and where I got them from, so you'll be able to make this yourself. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of TKB Gloss Base. So we're going to scoop it out and put it in this bowl. That's 1. And that's 2. Okay, and then the next thing we are going to put is going to be 1/4 of a teaspoon of castor oil. And what castor oil, the TKB gloss, that's the base. And what the castor oil does, it adds gloss to the lip gloss. So we're going to put 1/4, a little bit back. Castor oil is very thick. Pour that in. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to put is going to be 1/4. I'm going to wipe this out. The next thing I'm going to put is 1/4 of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is like a natural wax, so this is going to help it stick to your lips longer. Okay. And then we're going to add some flavor to it. And we are going to put 4 drops of strawberry flavoring. Let's see where that, oh, here it is. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to add will be the color. So we are going to put, let's see, 1/2 teaspoon of, this is red Basic Mica. You can get it in all different sizes. I make a lot of products. I usually buy things in the 1 ounce. But if you're making things at home, you can get it in this 6 gram. And that, it makes a lot of makeup. Okay, so we are going to put 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, and then the last thing you need to do is stir it. TKB's lip gloss base is very thick, so that's why I like to add a little bit of oil. But they also have an oil that you can buy from them instead of using the castor oil and the jojoba oil. Those are 2 ingredients I like to use. See how this blends really quickly? So in about a few seconds, you're going to have lip gloss. And it's pretty thick. It's supposed to be that way, but if you prefer it thinner, all you have to do is just add a little more oil to it. Okay, and that's lip gloss. So what I'm going to show you to end, let me just see if I can show you some of the color on my arm. So it's a real nice, rich, coppery red. Okay. So the next thing you can do is you can either put it in a pot. This is a 5 gram pot. So you probably need about 2 or 3 of these to fill it up, or you can just store it later. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this Jello shot tube so I can put it in the lip gloss tube. I get these off of Amazon. These are Jello, 2 ounce Jello shot tubes. And it's got a real wide mouth, so it makes it easy to fill. Okay. That's it for that. And then I'm going to put this back on it. push it down. And then we're going to use this dropper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this piece off, and I'm going to cut the tip piece off. And we are going to put it, slide it on the bottom of that, on the Jello shot tube. And then we're going to put this down into the bottom, and then all you do is push it in and work your way to the top. And hopefully this made enough to fill the tube. And it did. And I stopped right at the rim because I want to have enough room to put the wand. Okay. And so what you want to do is you want to put the stopper in first. Press it in, make sure it's in. And then you want to put the top in. And that's it. You have, let's see, I called this Red Shimmer Lip Gloss. It's really pretty and it's very nice, and you can make this at home. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions Cosmetics.